Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a very beautiful double bun sleek hairstyle. Yes, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you that. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share to as many as you can, and also let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. So first of all, I started off by parting the hair at the center. Yes, this is to help me gauge, know the part where I'm going to do the zigzag line. I don't want one side being more than the other side, so it just helps me gauge it. Yes, so after making that zigzag line, I'm going to go ahead and then rub the edge control on the lines. So this, after rubbing the edge control on the lines, I'm going to make the lines again. This is just to make the line very neat. Yes, you don't want the line looking somehow, so it's just to make the line to come out as neat as possible. So if you want the zigzag to come out very neat, make sure you don't skip this step. So for those of you that are interested in learning how to stretch a hair, although I made a video earlier, right? In my previous video, I actually showed you guys how to hot comb a hair. I don't know, some of you may call it hot comb, some may call it blow dry. Okay, how to blow dry a hair using a blow drying machine. So if you've not watched that video, then go under the description of this particular video, and then you get access to the other video, right? Go and watch that video so that you learn how to blow dry a hair, if a blow drying machine is what you have. But if you don't have a blow drying machine and what you have is a stretcher, then subscribe to this channel, because the next video is going to be how to stretch a hair. So I'm going to be showing you how to use a stretcher to stretch your hair. So this style is actually very beautiful and unique. You could actually make this style for occasions, and then if you're an adult and you want to make this style, you could maybe change the extension. Yes, you could still do the zigzag line with the edges, but just change the extension. Yeah, it's your choice. You could use any extension of your choice. You could use a kinky, you could use anything, literally anything you want to use, and it will still come out very beautiful and nice. Gel pack usually brings out the beauty. It's one hairstyle that brings out the beauty in your face. It shows that, okay, if you make gel pack hair and you don't look beautiful on the hairstyle, just no say you're not finish. Just no say you're ugly, nothing if you do you hair, something like that. But the one is ugly, don't mind me. So as you can see, I brush the hair very well. So this is very important. Make sure you brush the hair very well. And as you can see in the video, I'm using a black thread making this hair. This is actually stronger and cheaper. So for those of you that normally use rubber ring in holding it, I don't know your plans, except maybe it's something you're not going to carry for long, but I advise you use a thread. Yeah, it's stronger and it saves you the stress. Yes, it literally saves you the stress. So one thing you should know, as a beginner or maybe as a hairstylist, you shouldn't panic when making natural hair, because it's actually normal that after rubbing the gel, after rubbing the wax and the spray, you start seeing flyaways. Yes, that's literally one of the things that natural hair does. Yes, after applying everything, you start seeing that it's already removing flyaways, all those kind of stuff, especially when it comes to edging the hair. You finish edging the hair, and then before you're done, you see that it has already come off. If you watch this video to the end, you see that there was after edging this hair at this part, right, I still had to edge it when I was done, because the edging were already going off, and it's not nice. That's why when I was learning work in my madam's shop, usually when a client comes to make her hair and it's a natural hair, and maybe she wants to make a gel pack, or should I say a packing gel, my mother will be like, okay, you should apply relaxer at the front of your hair. So why does she normally tell them this? Because if you were to relax that part, the edges, making edges on that part, will be very easy, and it will make the edges stay well, it will lap well, and it can even last for you. Yes, unlike when you make edges on the natural hair. So usually gel pack lasts better on a relaxed hair. Yes, on an artificially processed hair, they actually last better than on a natural hair. And especially when the hair has undergrowth, you will not just get what you want. It will be very stressful. Yes, because I can recall when I was learning work, right, there was this lady. Like, natural hair comes in different types. Yes, there are natural hair that are very, very stubborn. Yes, the one they call rubber hair or whatever it's called. And so the lady has that kind of hair. She said she wanted to make packing gel hairstyle, and the style she chose was the sick of, I don't know if you know that style, the sick of hairstyle, right? That was the style she chose. And that style is usually not good on natural hair because it spoils easily. Yes. In short, I would advise anybody going for that style, just make sure your hair is relaxed. That's the only way that it will last for you. So that style is usually not good on a natural hair. So my madam told her that your hair is a natural hair, at least it's not going to last for you. And she's a student, she needs something that's going to last for some time. And then she said no, that this is the hairstyle she wants, so my madam should make it for her. And then after my madam was done making it, like, the hair was already spoiling, and the girl was like, see my hair, oh, this, that. And the hair was very beautiful, just that, say natural hair, he too like them, he liked to misbehave too much. While I wait for this stuff, he plenty. So guys, at this point, please remember to subscribe. If you've not subscribed, please pause and then subscribe to this channel. Please like, share, and let me know if you have questions. Like, if you have any questions at all,